Hello, class. Mr. McRae here again. Just doing a small video just to clarify some information on scientific notation. Before I was telling you guys how many spaces to move it, and it wasn't clear if we should move it right, left, or what. So I just want to clarify that to make sure we're good. All right, so we have this number here, 45, 900, and we have zeros all the way across the board, okay? So if we look at this problem here, where's the original zero in the problem? Right here at the end, after the last zero. That's the original zero, okay? So where are we going to try to put the new decimal point, okay? Actually, I'm sorry, I should have said decimal point. Here's the new decimal point right here. Okay, so we have the original one. I'm going to call this the O. Make this here. Okay, I'm going to call this the O. This is the original, and this is the new one we want to get. Okay. All right. So basically what we have to do is count how many spaces it goes from the new decimal point to the original one. Okay. And that's how we figure out our scientific notation. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So there's 10 spaces. Okay. So that means is I'm going to put the exponent of 10 with the base of 10. So it's going to look like this. 4.5, 9. Okay, because we could use all the numbers. And we're going to say that's times 10 to the power of 10. Okay, so just want to make sure you're clear on that. We go from the new decimal points place, and we're going to count how many spaces to the right to the original one. Okay, and that's going to be how we figure out our how many exponents we have. So let's look at another problem like that and see the difference again. So here's our original decimal point right here. This is the O, okay? And this is the new one we want to make right here. So again, remember the rule is it's always got to be the last, like the two numbers in the series, like numbers in the series. So this would be the N right here. So this is the new. All right. So then from here is basically we're going to count how many spaces from the new to get to the the original one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it takes 5 spots, okay? So the idea is I'm going to put 5.0. Let me make an equal sign here because I've been doing all the last one, so I might as well do it on this one. So let me make a 5.0, okay? And we're going to go 10. How many spaces is it again? From the new decimal point that we made to the original. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, we go 5 to the left. If we're going to go to the left, well, this one we went to the one on the top, we went to the right. We're going to go to the left. That means is we're going to make this a negative sign now. So again, from the new decimal point that we made to the original one. 3, 4, 5. I have to keep counting because I keep forgetting this thing. So that would be a -5. Okay. Make sure that you're able to do that on the test and on the work today. Okay. And that's it. Just want to make sure we go over that to make sure that you understand that it goes from the new decimal place that we put in to the original one, both sides. Remember, if it goes left, it's negative. If it goes right, it's positive. All right. Thanks, guys.